Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door hinge screw on your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the fridge we're going to be using for our demonstration here. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So before we go into fixing the top here, we've also got the same screws that hold in the middle and the bottom down here. So if you do have missing screws, all of these are the same screws, but we're going on the top and we're just going to pop off this cover here. And as you can see here, there's only one screw holding this hinge on. We've got two screws missing. So grab your new OEM replacement screws, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we'll put our screw into place here. Got to make sure everything's lined up. There we go. And we're using a 5/16" nut driver. If your hinge is off, like ours is, you might also have to hold the door up while you screw down so that it doesn't move and your screw doesn't go in sideways there. And now the other screw. And now we've got those screws on. We can put our cover back in place, just like that. And now you can test your door out and make sure everything functions properly and your repair is complete. So what's a surfer's least favorite appliance? The microwave, dude. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.